Hey everyone, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the new iPhone 16 Pro Max in the desert titanium color. So let's get started. Here's the box of it. Initially, if you pick it up, it's going to look just like this, similar to the previous year's boxes. You can see the new design here. And then you take a look at the back here. As you can see here, pretty much the description, and then you can see here this is the 512 gig. Now you can get it in three different storage configuration. You get 256 gig. That wasn't available for me when I ordered it. I was able to only get the 512 gig because the other one was pretty much sold out, and then the 1 terabyte as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So starting with the top here, we're going to go ahead and take this off, and then of course the bottom right here. Right, hopefully you guys like that ASMR. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we have in the box. So just like that, again, different angles for the color so you can see how the color looks in natural lighting. So basically the desert titanium, it's sort of like the gold color. It's a lighter gold, really looks premium. Here are the cameras, as you can see. And then let's go ahead and take a look in our hand. This is a 6.9 inch display, so huge phone. And right here I can also see that new camera control. And then here you go on this angle, top as well. The bezels, you can see here, flat. They're slightly shinier, I would say, or so in the light. And then up here, so that's what you're looking at, as I mentioned. The new camera control, which is icon right here, the side button or the power button, and then you have the action button that was released last year, and then the volume up and down button. And then let's take a quick look at what's included in the box. So as you can see, your box has been a little bit redesigned from the previous boxes. You do get this, just that one cable, and then let's see, and then this thing, which is a new design. Basically, there looks like just the safety, and then this is a US model, so it only has eSIM, and then the USB-C cable. As you can see here, nothing new different about that. So let's go ahead and take a look at the phone here. So we're gonna go ahead and take the cover off. So that's what it's gonna look like once you take the cover off, and we're gonna go ahead and power on by holding on to this button here. And it's going to go ahead and power on for us. Now, a couple things about this phone. Again, it has a 6.9 inch display, 2868 by 1320 pixel. Now, the refresh rate is 120 hertz. You can get on the triple camera that we're seeing in the back. It's a 48 megapixel main camera, and then the 12 megapixel front camera. Comes with A18 Pro chip, 8 gigs of RAM here, and then a battery size is a 4685, which is supposed to last for 33 hours. So I'm going to do initial setup here. Select the language, the country. You can see the bezel here, looks pretty good. We're going to go ahead and do a quick selecting my Wi-Fi here, and then just going to enter my password. I'm going to go ahead and join the network. So you'll need to connect to internet like you would with any iPhone in order to initially set it up first. Now, as you can see here, as it's being set up, this is the size of the feel that's going to be. It really feels lighter, smoother than, I guess, the 15 Pro Max. We have seen the camera control, which we're going to test out, but this is what the desert titanium is going to look like. If you're getting in the iPhone 16 Pro Max in another color or whatever color you're getting, leave a comment in the comment section on which one you're getting. So you're going to hit continue here, set up, and then set up later. Again, I'm not going to set anything of this, but of course, if you're setting it up, make sure you do all the setup so you can get all of your data and such. So I'm going to go ahead and hit continue, basically getting to the main page so you can take a closer look. Of course, you want to set up all of that, and let's go at the silent mode. Here, this is the action button. As you see, that's what it's indicating. If we want to customize that, we're not going to right now. The camera control is the new control, as I mentioned. You can see here, you can use that to take photos and do much more. And then Siri, it can. Finally, we are into our iPhone, so this is the look of it. Of course, I haven't set up cellular, but a nice feel to it. Let's take a look at the camera. So the camera's looking. The new control center, it comes pre-shipped with iOS 18.0. That's why it looks different. If you haven't upgraded to iOS 18 on your phone, you'll see a lot of new redesign of this. As I mentioned here, the camera, we have the camera control now, all of these settings. And that's how it looks like with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let me know what you guys think about it. Do you guys like the new iPhone 16 Pro Max? Which one are you getting? How long do you have to wait when you get it? Leave your comment in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do consider subscribing. We're going to be doing a lot of giveaways and a lot of tips and tricks for the new iPhone 16 Pro Max in the coming days. And I hope this video, you guys enjoyed it. If so, please give that a thumbs up as well. We'll see you guys in the next one.